Good evening all. So before the session, I'll give you an orientation for AMCE. So AMC 8 is for the students who were in grade 8 and below. And the exam will be conducting from 17 to 23 of 2024. It is a tentative date. Dates haven't yet fixed. And it will be 40 minutes of examination having 25 multiple choice questions.
Sir.
And there will be negative.
Already I'm.
And for each question, there will be one mark will be provided, and total it is out of 25 marks. And there will be certificate for all the special certificates, that is distinct certificates according to your marks. So now I'm handovering the session to Komal ma'am.
Hello. Good evening, class. Am I audible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So, welcome to all maths aspirants. Okay. Let me share my screen. Yes. Okay. Since we have only 1 hour, okay, I'll have to be little quicker. So I'll appreciate if everybody join on time. Okay, because we have to do a lot. Okay, so today I'm starting with a very basic topic because I really don't know the level of the class, but I will appreciate if you help me in helping you better. If you tell me what is your level, whether you want the lecture level the same level, or if you want it higher level, or if you want me to reduce the level, please let me know. Okay. I am Komal Khadigaonkar and I usually teach for I'm Komal Khadigaonkar and I coach for INMO, and if you know the Indian National Maths Olympiad, and IMO. Okay, for those who get selected for team. Okay, I coach them usually. Okay, but I can come down to any level, so don't worry about it. Okay, but you just have to help me. Okay, yes, recordings will be shared by your admin people. Okay, I don't get the recordings. They create the link, so they will be able to share the recordings. I will share the screenshot with them and they will share the screenshots also. Okay, now let us start with number theory. One important topic in AMC 8 is number of factors and product of factors and all that. So we are going to do that today. So today we are going to see number of factors, product of all factors. Okay, sum of factors and the sum of reciprocal of factors. And if time permits, I'll try to do one more concept. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so here I am giving you one tiny little example of number 12. Okay, everybody, is the screen visible to you? Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So, now 12 is what? 12 is 2 square into 3. So what are different factors of 12? 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. We all know there are 6 factors. Okay. Now we can write these factors as 2 raised to 0, 3 raised to 0. 2 can be written as 2 raised to 1, 3 raised to 0, 2 raised to 0, 3 raised to 1. 12 can be written 2 square into 3. 6 can be written as 2 raised to 1, 3 raised to 1, like that. That means each factor of 12 can be written in only form 2 raised to some 4 into 3 raised to some 4. Can I say a factor of 12 will be of form, say 5 raised to something? Can I say factor of 12 is from 5 raised to something? Can 5 raised to something be factor of 12? No, because 5 is not a prime factor of 12. Only prime factor of 12 are 2 and 3. So we get any factor of 12 is of this form. Is this much clear to everybody? Huh? Now question is, what are my values of A and B? Once I get values of A and B, then I can decode what is going to be my number of factors, right? Everybody understood this much? Now, can 2 cube be a factor of 12? Tell me.
No.
No. Maximum which power I can get here? Maximum I can get 2. Correct? Okay. And minimum, can 0 be 2 raised to 0 be there? Yes. You can see example 1 or 3. There 2 is absent. Where 2 is absent, I will get power of 2 at 0. Correct? Therefore, my powers of 2 can take values 0, 1 and 2. Correct? Any other value is not possible. Okay, it cannot go greater than 2. Correct? And similarly, for powers of 3 can take what value? Because 3, I have only 3 raised to 1 here. So it can be only 0 and 1. Right? Is this clear to everybody? So for each value here, I have 2 values here. Correct? Followed? See, 2 raised to 0, then 3 raised to 0, 2 raised to 0, 3 raised to 1. For each value, there will be more 2 value here. Therefore, the number of factors will be how many? 3 into 2. How I got 3? Because power is 2 and I'm allowing power 0 also. So I need to add 2 plus 1. 3 possibilities. Correct? Followed? Okay. And here power is 1. So I need to add 1 plus 1, 2 possibilities. Is this much clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. So the number of factor is denoted by this symbol. We pronounce this symbol as tau. So we call this tau n. So we are going to write tau of 12 is equal to 3 into 2, which is 6. Huh? Is this clear? Okay. So student, tell me what will be tau of, if I give you 2 cube into 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 7. What will be tau of this? Can you tell me? When it was powers were 2 and 1, I got 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Powers are 3, 4, 7. What should I get?
160. Ma'am.
1 plus 3, 4 plus 1 into 7 plus 1. That is 4 into 5 into 8. Correct? Is that clear? That is nothing but 160. Is this clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Any doubt? Okay. So in general, if my number is, okay, can you see this or should I increase the font? Is it visible or you want me to increase the font? Yeah. So let me show this. Is it visible now? Huh? Is it visible to everybody? Huh? Now. So if my P can be factorized like this: P1 raised to A1, P2 raised to A2, so on, Pk raised to Ak. Then these are different primes. Okay. Then my number of factors tau n will be given by 1 plus first power, 1 plus second power, so on. I have to add 1 to the power. Okay. Is this clear to everybody? Huh? Followed? Why I have to add 1? Who will tell me why I have to add 1? Because here 0 is also allowed. Okay. So when the power is 2, I get 3 different values of A. Even if the power is 2, I get 3 values of A because I'm taking 0 also. That's why it is 2 plus 1. And here it is raised to 1. So it is 1 plus 1. Is this clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Wonderful. Very good. So let us see few problems. How many factors does this has? Okay. Is it okay? Yeah. I'll give you prime factorization of this quickly so that you will be because in the exam you can do it, but here because we have to do lots many sums quickly, so let me give the prime factorization. 23232 is this. Then what are the factors of this? Can you tell me? Yes, anybody?
32.
Yes. 2 raised to 6
42.
into 11 square. Okay, so tau of 2323, somebody's mic is on, will be 1 plus 6, 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 2. Okay, followed, that is 7 into 2 into 3. Correct? 7 6 are 42. Easy? Followed? Easy? Any doubt, anybody?
No, ma'am.
Now, next. If you know this stuff already, please let me know that way. Then I will not waste time on that. I'll go ahead. How many positive factors of 2020 have more than 3 factors? Okay. Now 2020 we will factorize. We know it is 2 into 10. Okay, into 101. So 2 square into 5 into 101. Now 101 is a prime. Okay, followed. Now it should have more than 3 factors. Okay. So what are possible factors here? 2 square into 5, or you can have 2 square into 101, or you can have 2 into 5 into 101. Correct? Okay.
I didn't understand what is meant by have more than 3 factors here.
Means suppose I take only 2 square. Okay. Then it will have, suppose okay. Now, suppose I consider 2. Is 2 factor of 2020?
Yes, ma'am.
How many factors 2 has?
2.
2 has 1 and 2, only 2 factors. So
Yeah.
number of factors of 2 is 2. Correct? But we want number of factors at least 3. Okay? Followed? Is that clear?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay. So if I have more than 2 primes, definitely it will have more factors. But even 2 square has how many factors? What is
3.
tau of 2 square? That is 3. It has 3 factors. Correct? Okay. And if I
Yes.
take tau of 2 different primes, okay, then
The condition is more than 3 factors.
more
So
than
will
3 factors. Correct. Okay. So we won't consider this. Correct. But so you can see that maximum numbers will have more than 3 factors. So rather than counting how many numbers are more than 3 factors, we better count the numbers which are less than or equal to 3 factors and cancel that. Okay. That is the idea. Okay. So for that, we'll take tau of 2020. How many factors this has? This is a factorization. So how many factors it will have? 2 plus 1, 3 into
12.
2 into 2. 12 factors. Correct? Everybody understood this? 12 factors. Now factors of tau, factors of 2020 with less than 3 factor, less than or
Ma'am?
equal to 3 factors.
Ma'am, will we get the recording of this class?
Yes, beta, you will get the recording of this class. Huh? And when I'm explaining, please don't disturb. It breaks the link of all of them. Huh? Okay? Huh? When I finish the question, you may ask your doubt. Huh? Please. Less than or equal to 3 factors. Okay? Now, here, how many factors will be there? They will be of type simply 2 or simply 5 or 101 or 2 square. Even 2 square have 3 factors, correct? If I take product of 2 factors, then 2 primes, then I'll get 4 factors. So only 4 factors are there which are having less than or equal to 3 factors, correct? Is that clear to you?
Yes.
So number of factors, required factors will be how many? 12 minus 4. That is nothing but 8. Is this clear to you? Any doubt, anybody? May I go to next question? Anybody has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now, how many positive divisors of 2020 do not also divide 1012? Okay. Means what? Do not also divide 1012.
So we can first get tau of 1010 and then subtract that from the tau of 2020.
Yes, perfect. See, first we'll find the number of factors of 2020, that is tau of 2020, and I don't want factors of this. So minus tau of 1010. Correct? Okay. 2020 is what? That is 2 square into 5 into 101. And 1010 is 2 into 5 into 101. So what is tau of 2020? Who will tell me? That will be 3 into 2 into 2, which is 12, minus tau of 1010 will be simply 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So answer will be 4. Is this clear to you? Any doubt, anybody? Okay, very good. Now, this is a bit lengthy question. This is again by AMC 8. Okay, is it visible or should I increase the font?
It's visible, ma'am.
Okay. On June 1st, a group of students is standing in rows. 15 students in each row. Okay. 15 students in each row. What do you mean by that? My 15 students in each row means number of students must be divisible by 15, correct? So let number of students be n. So I have 15 divides n. Everybody, this is symbol of divisible. 15 divides n. Like 5 divides 10. Like 2 divides 22. Everybody understood this shortcut symbol? In number theory, we use this symbol. Any doubt to anybody for this symbol? Okay, very good. Now, so what I mean by that, 15 number of students is divisible by 15. On June 2, same group is standing, all the students in one long row. Okay, so single long row. On June 3, same students are standing with just one student in each row. Okay. So on June 4, same group is standing with 6 students in each row. What do you mean by 6 students in each row? Who will tell me?
Divide 6, like 6 divides n.
Correct. 6 divides n. Yes. So I have 15 divides n and 6 divides n. Okay, these two informations I have. What extra information I have? This process continued through June 12 with different number of students per row each day. Different number of students per row each day. What do you mean by that? See, number of students per row is k, then k must divide n. If number of students per row is k, that implies k must divide n, correct? Where n is, somebody is annotating on my screen. Huh? Stop annotating on my screen. See, we are here to do some serious exam and serious training. I don't like to do all such, I don't like to treat my students as they are immature. Huh? Okay, so you show self-discipline, I will appreciate. Huh? Whoever has annotated, please cancel it. I'm unable to cancel this. Huh. Okay, so k divides n. Is this much clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Huh? Now, what is given to me? That from June 1st to June 12, different number of students will appear per row every day. That means I will have 12 different divisors of n. So n has 12 different divisors. Means what? In our language, tau of n is 12. Is that clear to everybody? Huh? Any doubt, anybody? Huh? Okay. What is the smallest possible number of students in the group? So I want to find smallest possible n, such that what information is given to me? 15 divides n, 6 divides n, and tau n is 12. Okay. So what is now? So n must be divisible by 2, 3, and 5. Must definitely divide n, correct? Okay. So how can I write 12? 12 can be written, must be written as 3 factors, because if it is 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 5 raised to c, n, then tau n will be 1 plus a, 1 plus b, and 1 plus c. So I need to write 12 as 3 factors. What are 3 factors? 2 into 2 into 3. Correct? Okay. Now, so I will get A, B, C must take values 1, 1, and 2. I need to decide which one of A, B, C should take value 2. Correct? Is that much clear to everybody? Huh? Any doubt, anybody? Okay. Now, which one should take value 2? Do I want smallest possible number or largest possible number? I want smallest possible number. So should I take 5 square or 3 square or 2 square? Please respond.
2 square.
2 square. So n should be 2 square into 3 into 5, which is nothing but 6 is the correct answer.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
2, 3, 5 is basically the common factors of 15, 6, and 12, right?
Yes. No, 12 you don't have to worry about. You just have to worry about 15 and 6. 12 is the number of factors. 12 is not given the factors of n. 12 is number of days, so they are number of factors. Because every day we have different factors. Huh?
So
Is that-
we took the prime factors of 15 and 6 and then checked, right?
Yes, we check prime factors of 15 and 6. Huh? Anybody want me to explain this again? That's it. That's it. Huh? Okay. Now, I will give this for homework. Okay. I'll just do this MC 12 question. Huh? Is that okay if I give this for homework? Now, they are similar problems. Huh? Now, see, n is 2 raised to 31. N is 2 raised to 31 into 3 raised to 19. How many positive integer divisors of n square are less than n but does not divide n? So n square is what? 2 raised to 62 into 3 raised to 92 are 30. Okay. What I want a factor of n, that is factor of n that is less than n.
I
But
didn't understand this.
Sorry.
I didn't understand this part. This
Huh,
question.
beta, I'm explaining. How you will understand before I explain. Don't worry. You will understand when I'll finally explain. Huh? Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Factor of n that are less than n and it does not divide n. Okay. Huh? Hold on. Okay. Now, so because it does not divide n, see, when my factor will divide n, if powers of 2 are less than 31 and less than 19, correct? Okay. Hold on. See, all factors of n will be 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b, where a is less than or equal to 31 and b is less than or equal to 9. So if I want that it does not divide n, means either a is greater than 31 or b is greater than 9. Correct? Hold on. Okay. So for factor of n not divide, factor of n square should not divide n, we need n factor f to be 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b, such that either a is greater than 31 or b is greater than 9. Correct? Is that much clear to everybody?
I didn't understand why A has to be less than 31 and B has to be less than 19.
For factors of n beta, n is this, correct? So if a is greater than, if I take 2 raised to 40, is it dividing this? No, right? Okay, understood? Huh? Followed? For example, 2 raised to 40 will not divide. This is symbol of not divide n. Huh? Okay, followed? Huh? Now, so if I take 2 raised to 40 into 3 raised to say 3 raised to 20. Now both the powers are greater than n, then this is definitely greater than 2 raised to 31 into 2 raised to 19. Correct? We don't even want such numbers. Correct? We don't even want such numbers also. So what we do, we take exactly one of the power greater and one smaller. Okay. So what we'll do, so for each pair of AB from, where A is from 32, 33 till 62, and B is from 20, 21 till 38. Okay. For each such pair, okay, for example, say 2 raised to 33 and 3 raised to, I will take smaller number, okay? 3 raised to, I'll take smaller than 19 into 3 raised to 7 and 2 raised to a smaller number than 33. Okay, how will I show it to you? For each, no, I should not write like this. Yeah. B from 1, 2, 3 up to 19, or A is smaller, okay, 1, 2, 3 up to 19, and B is greater, that is from 20, 21 till 30. Okay.
Because basically we do this because we wanted to divide n square but not divide n.
We wanted to divide n square but not divide n, and at the same time it should be smaller than n. Okay, if both the factors are bigger, then what I will get? I'll get the number greater than n. Correct. So one of the number is bigger and other power is smaller. One power is smaller than other is bigger. Understood? Followed? Is that clear? Huh? Followed? Now here we consider, for example, suppose I consider power 2 raised to 33 and 3 raised to 7. Okay. Now among these, clearly one of them will be greater than 1, right? Or how will I explain it to you? Yeah. See, let me explain this way. See, consider 2 raised to 10, okay, which you know, okay, and say 3 raised to 6. What is 3 raised to 6? 729. So 2 raised to 10 is greater than 3 raised to 6, correct? Okay. Now, therefore, if I take n, which is 2 raised to 31 into 3 raised to 19, I'll multiply it by 2 raised to 10 and divide by 3 raised to 6. Then, because 2 raised to 10 upon 3 raised to 6 is greater than 1, I will get 2 raised to 41 into 3 raised to 19 minus 6 is 30. This is definitely greater than n, because I'm multiplying by a number greater than 1. Correct? Is that clear to you? Followed? Huh? Is this clear to you? Should I explain again? Huh? What I'm doing is, I need to multiply by a number greater than 1 to n, so that I'll get a greater power of n, right? Greater factor greater than n, right? Okay. So everybody understood this, that at least one factor should be greater and one should be smaller? Huh? Any doubt, anybody? Please respond. Please respond. If you have doubt, then please respond. Or I assume that everybody has understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Okay. Huh. So what we do is, so we need to select from every pair. But suppose I take 2 raised to 10 and 3 raised to 10. Then from this pair, what fraction I should take? Which is greater, do you think? 3 raised to 10 is greater. So I will select 3 raised to 10 upon 2 raised to 10 and I'll multiply n by 3 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 10. So what I'll get 2 raised to 31 into 3 raised to 19 into 3 raised to 10 upon 2 raised to 10. So I'll get a factor as 2 raised to 22 into 3 raised to 29, which is the required factor, which is greater than n, but it is no, which is
Ma'am, it is 2 power 21, right?
21. Sorry. One second. Do I need a greater than n or less? Oh, I'm so sorry. I need a less than n. I'm very sorry. So, my bad. Just a moment. Give me a second. I need to I need to multiply by opposite numbers. I need factors less than n. Very sorry. Very sorry. Huh? So I have to take, logic is correct, but I need to multiply by 3 raised to 6 upon 2 raised to 10 because I want it to be less than n. Correct? Because 3 raised to 6 upon 2 raised to 10 is less than. Okay. Here I will multiply by 2 raised to 10 upon 3 raised to 10. Okay. Hold on. Is that clear to you? So what you will get? You will get 2 raised to 41 into 3 raised to 9. But this number is less than n. Okay. Why? Because I'm multiplying by a number less than 1. Followed? Is this clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? Followed? I will multiply by 3 raised to 6 upon 2 raised to 10, which is 3 raised to 37. Sorry, which is 3 raised to, which is 2 raised to 21 into 3 raised to 25, which is, I claim, less than n. Everybody understood why it is less than n? Huh? Because I'm multiplying n by a number less than 1. So this number will be less than. And definitely this does it divide n? No. It will not divide n because power of 3 is greater than 90. Followed? Is that clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? So how many such powers will be there? So for each number here and here, okay, for each such pair, I will have exactly 1 power because either it is greater than 1 or less than. Correct? Followed? Okay. So for each such pair, okay, though I get 2 pairs, but there will be only 1 power. Therefore, there are 31 into 19 such pairs. Is this clear to you? Any doubt, anybody? Huh? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
Wonderful. Very good. Good class. Okay. So may I go to next concept? Next concept is sum of the factors. Okay. So for sum of the factors, what I will do is I will add them by taking something in common. Okay. So here, let us suppose take 3 raised to 0, all terms in 3 raised to 0 common. Okay, so I'll get 3 raised to 0 into bracket 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 2 square. And other terms are 3 raised to 1. So 3 raised to 1 into bracket 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 square. So we get 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 2 square and 3 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 1. This will be sum of all factors. Is that clear?
Ma'am, I didn't get this part.
Yes, you just have to take common and add. Better. Okay. See, the formula is like this. We have powers of 2. Highest power of 2 is 2 square. Then I have to add 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 2 square. And this is 3 raised to 1. Then you have to add from 3 raised to 0 till 3 raised to 1. Is this clear? Beta? Okay.
Yes.
So for example, suppose I have 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 7 into into say 11 raised to 3. Then what will be sum of factors? Sum of all factors is given by sigma n. Okay. This will be, this is called sigma, small sigma. This will be 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 1, so on till 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 0, 3 raised to 1, so on till 3 raised to 7 into 11 raised to 0 into 11 raised to 1, so on till 11 cube. So only one term is in between, so let me done. Is this clear to everybody? What is sum of the factors? Any doubt, anybody?
It is basically 2 to the power 0 till the highest power.
Highest power, correct? For every number, it starts from 0th power to highest power for every prime. Is that clear? Okay. Followed?
Clear.
So,
ma'am.
so this is just merely calculation. Is it okay if I skip this? You can do it for homework. Now sum of reciprocal of factors. Problem is that time is very less. That's why I have to do very fast. If I would have got more time, I could have just do more justice to this. Okay. Sum of reciprocal of factors. Okay. So for reciprocal of factors, we have these factors. Okay. Followed. Now, let us check the sum of reciprocal of factors. That is nothing but 1 plus half plus 1/3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. I need to add all this. And fraction addition is not easy. So, first chance I must convert all fractions into integers. How can I do that? Multiply and divide by 12. Okay. So, I will take 1 by 12 outside. So 1 into 12 is 12 plus 2 into 12 will become 6. 1/3 into 12 will become 4. 1/4, this will become 3, 2 and 1. So you can see they are factors only in opposite order, correct? So this is nothing but 1 by 12 times sum of all factors. Is this clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody? So what is sum of reciprocal of factors? The formula for this is 1 upon n times tau of n. Is this clear to everybody? Sorry, not tau of n, sum of the factors. S N R.
This
Sum
will
of
give,
it.
These formula will give us the sum of the factors or only the sum of the prime?
Sum of reciprocals of that.
Reciprocal of factors of or reciprocal of only prime factors?
No, all the factors. But I have taken 6 also, 12 also, all of them. Okay? Followed? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear? Huh? Okay. Now. Okay. Let me do this problem. Yes. Now, n is 34 into 34 into 63 into 27. So what are prime factorization of n? 17 twos into 17 twos into 63 is 7 into 9
square into 270
will be 3 cube into 2 into 5. Correct? So I can write it as 2 cube into 3 raised to 5
into
5
5 power 1 into
into
7 power 1
7
into
17 power
17
2.
square.
correct? Now, what is the ratio of sum of odd divisors of n to sum of even divisors of n? Okay. So what are, yeah. Now let m be the product of odd divisors of n. So that is how much? That is 7, sorry. That is how much? That is nothing but, sorry, 3 raised to 5 into 5 into 7 into 17 square, whatever. Okay. So what is sum of all factors of n? You will get a big fat expression. Let us call this sum s. That will be what? 1 plus, 3 raised to 0 is 1. Correct? Okay. 3 raised to 1, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 5. Then 1 plus 5, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 17 plus 17 square. Correct? Everybody understood this? Any doubt, anybody? Okay. And what is sum of all factors of n? Let us call it S1. Let us call it S1. So S1 is what? That will be this all into the factors of 2. Correct? So that is 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube into S. Can I write like this? Right? Followed? Huh? Okay, can I write like this? Therefore, I've been asked the ratio. Correct? So what can you say about S1 by S? That is 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube. Understood? Followed? Huh? Is that clear? Huh? Followed? So that will be nothing but 2 plus 8, 10 plus 4, 14, 15. Understood? Huh? Okay. So you need not even calculate this. You need not even calculate this. You just have to add the, yes, Rita, you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am. I did not understand the last step.
I didn't understand the last part. I understood.
I'm explaining. See, if I take sum of all factors of n, then I'll have to take 3 raised to 5. So this will come. 5, this will come. 7, this will come. 17, this will come. So instead of writing this again, I've written S. And 2 cube will also come. Correct? Followed? Is that clear now?
Yeah.
So what is asked? The ratio of sum of odd divisors of n upon sum of even divisors of. So that is nothing but only sum of powers of 2.
Ma'am, we need to find out the ratio of odd upon even. So it should be S upon S1.
Odd divisors. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So S upon S1 now you can calculate. So what is S upon S1? S upon S1 will be 1 by 15. You should understand the logic once, okay?
I
And
got
then
that. I got that S1 is 15, but how is S1? How is S equals to 1? I didn't get that.
the S is not equal to 1. S upon S1 is 15, beta. S1 is 15 times S. Because what is, let me write, S is what? Powers of 2 into powers of 3 beta, correct? Into powers of 5 into powers of 7 into powers of 17, right? Correct? Huh?
Yes.
But your this part is nothing but S. Right? Understood?
Yeah.
Huh? Followed? So S1 is nothing but powers of 2 plus S. Huh? Okay. See, I'm not just giving you donkey formula. I'm trying to teach you the logic behind it. But if you feel that I should give only direct formula, I can do that. Whatever method you feel comfortable, you tell me. Huh? Okay.
Ma'am,
I tried
I
to-
got till here. I didn't understand the ratio part, how we found the ratio.
Huh, beta. So this is S, right? Okay. So you got S1 is equal to 15 times S, correct?
Yes.
So what will be S1 by S? That is 15. Just divide by S. Is that
Ma'am?
clear?
Ma'am,
Huh?
S equal to 1 plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus 3 power 4 plus 3 power 5 into 1 plus 5 into 1 plus 7 into 1 plus 17 plus 17 square, right?
Yes.
Then it should be written as can it not be written as by 2 plus by 1 plus 2 plus 2 cube 2 square plus 2 cube?
Sorry, come again.
1 plus 3 plus why not it is not written as S value by the S1 value?
Huh?
That means that S value by S1 value, right?
Yes, beta. But why to write this again and again? We know the difference between them is just powers of 2, no? In S1, what extra terms I have is just powers of 2.
Over here, basically, S is the sum of odd divisors, and S1 is the sum of even divisors, right?
So I'm just trying to say that sum of even divisors is equal
Is 15.
upon sum of odd divisors
Is
is
15 upon S.
yeah, is equal to 1 plus 2 till 2 raised to k. If 2 raised to k divides it. If 2 raised to k divides n. Understood? You can take this as directly formula. I proved the formula for you. Huh? Okay. Followed? Huh? Still not understood? Should I explain once again? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
One just see pet. One just what is S? S is this, correct? Sum of odd divisors. This much is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Sum
ma'am.
of odd divisors is clear. What will be sum of all divisors?
Additionally, that even that factor that
Acha, एक
S1.
second. Sum of even divisors of n. Sorry. My
Ma'am,
bad.
but if we are finding S upon S,
My bad. I found out for all devices, not even devices. I didn't read the question properly. It's my bad. This is for all devices. Very sorry. Huh? This is sum of all factors. Okay, my bad. So sum of all factors will be what? That will be S1 is 15 times S, where S is sum of odd divisors. Okay, sum of all odd divisors. Correct. Therefore, sum of even divisors will be what? That will be S1 minus S. That is 15S minus S. That is 14. Okay. Followed?
How did we get 14?
Because S1 is 15S. Sum of all divisors is 15 times sum of odd divisors. And I'm cancelling the odd divisors from it. To get the, because from all divisors, I have even and odd divisors. So I'm cancelling the odd divisors now so that I'll get even divisors. Okay? Followed?
Subtract S. Okay.
Yeah. So this, let me call SE. SE is sum of even divisors.
Ma'am, but they're asking the ratio of the sum of odd divisors.
I'm writing a ratio. Wait. This much is clear. Now, sum of odd divisors, let me call it S odd rather than S simply.
The answer would be 1 upon 14, right?
Yes. So S odd upon SE will be equal to, it will be what? It will be S odd upon 14S odd, which is 1 by 14. Okay? Followed? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, anybody? Sorry, I didn't read the question. Okay. Any doubt, anybody? Please respond. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Wonderful.
I
Now,
like sum of all even factor is 15, right?
no, beta, it's 15 times sum of all odd factors. Sum of all no, it's 14 times some odd factors. Sum of all factors will be what, beta? It will be this, na, sum of all factors. This will be 15 times sum of odd factors, correct? So sum of odd factors will be what? All factors minus even factors, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Is this clear now? Followed? Is this clear? Now next this thing is this I can't prove it for you. This you need to take the formula. The highest power of a prime p dividing n factorial. Do you know what is factorial? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Like
1 into 2 into 3 up to n is called factorial. Okay. N factorial is given by quotient. See, this bracket denotes the quotient when n is divided by k. K or p, let me. Okay. So quotient when n is divided by p, quotient when n is divided by p square, quotient when n is divided by p cube, and so. Okay. Followed. This is the formula. So let us see.
I didn't understand the formula.
Beta, you have to I'll explain this. This, because we don't have any time now, you will have to simply take this formula only. Huh? Huh? Okay, now greatest integer k such that 80 factorial divided by 45 raised to k. Okay, now so I need to find highest k such that 45 raised to k divides 80 factorial. What is 45? 3 square into 5, correct? Followed? Everybody understand this? Huh? So now I need to find a largest power of 5 dividing 80 factorial. Now I will explain you. Now see, among 80, when I'll get 5, when I will get multiples of 5, then I'll get 5. How many multiples of 5 are there? 80 divided by 5, 16 multiples of 5. But among multiples of 25, you have extra 5s, correct? 50. Okay, you have extra 5, correct? 75, you have extra 5. Now, these I have counted when I counted multiples of 5. But this extra 5 we have not counted. Therefore, I will add 80 by 25. What is a quotient? See, I have to take only quotient. I don't have to take remainder. Correct? 80 divided by 25 is only 3. Okay? Where this is quotient when n is divided by p. Is this clear? Okay. So which is highest power of 5 dividing 80? That will be plus 39. Is this clear? Okay. Followed. Highest power of 5 dividing 80 factorial is 16 plus 390. Is this much clear to everybody? Any doubt, anybody?
Ma'am, I didn't understand it. So like if we don't have time right now, can you explain it in the next class?
I'll quickly try to finish it. Just pay attention. I'll explain. See, you just have to apply the formula. Highest power. See, I've just divided by 5. I have not completed the question. Highest power of 5 dividing 80 factorial will be what? Beta, if you take number 1, 2, 3, so on till 80, correct? So which number gives you power of 5? 5, 10, 15, so on till 80, correct? This is clear. How many such numbers will be there? Beta, tell me. They are all what? Multiples of 80. How many multiples of 80 will be there? 80
60.
upon 5. 60. Correct? Now, some numbers give me extra 5. Which number give me extra 5? 80 divided by 25 gives me extra 5. Correct? So, 3 numbers gives me extra 5, which is nothing but 90. Correct? So, total will be 90. So, high or divides 80 factorial is equal to 16 plus 390. Okay, is this clear now? Any doubt, anybody? No. Very good. Now I need to do it for 3 also. So highest power of 3 dividing 80 factorial. Now, so I'll do 80 divided by 3. That is how much? That will be 23. Correct? Okay. No, sorry. 26. Right? Okay. 26. Plus 80 divided by 3 square. But instead of that, what one should do? One should directly take 26 divided by 3, which is nothing but 8. Now you take 8 divided by 3, which is nothing but 2. Now 2 divided by 3 is 0. Correct? So I'll stop here. So my answer, this is 36 here. Correct? Okay? Followed? This much is clear to everybody? Now, so highest power of 3 square dividing 80 factorial will be what? Everybody understood this? How I did this? I'll explain again. See, 80 divided by 3 you do. That is how much? 26. Take 26 again, divide by 3. You will get 8. Take 8 again, divide by 3. You will get 2. 2 divided by, when you get this answer 0, you have to stop. Stop when you get 0. Okay? Followed? Now. So now what? Now highest power of 3 square dividing 80 factorial will be how much? 3 gives me power 36. So 3 square will give me power 18. Correct? Followed? Is that clear? 3 raised to 36 divide this. So 9 raised to 18 divides it. Correct? Now in 45, I need 3 square into 5. Therefore, the highest power of 45, how many highest power of 45s I'll get? Will be equal to, there are 18 3 squares available and 19 5 available. But I want a bundle of 3 square also and 5 also. So how many will be there? Will it be 18 or 19?
18.
80. Followed? 1 5 will be extra. But it is useless because it doesn't have a pair up with, it can't be pair up with 9. Understood? Followed? Is this clear to you? Any doubt, anybody?
Ma'am, basically to apply this formula, we just do 80 divided by 3 and then the quotient we divided by
Quotient,
3
quotient.
again.
Yes. By the prime. And
now
remember, you can
if
apply
you want
this
to do it
formula
by
only for prime. Only for prime. Beta? You can't
And
directly do it for 45. You have to apply it
And-
only for prime.
And if
Yes,
we want to do it for 5, we do 80 upon 5 and then we get the quotient as 16, then we can do 16 upon 5 like that.
Yeah, 16 by 5 is 3. 80 upon 25, same as 16 by 5. Okay. This is same as 80 by 25. It's same as 16 by 5. Okay. Followed? Is that clear? Any doubt, anybody? So I'll stop here. You tell me what difficulty level. I think I should not do AMC 10 and AMC 12 problems. I'll stick to only AMC 8 next time.
Ma'am,
Followed?